and welcome to episode 14 of our van build.
This week Mike's going to build a base cabinet and he's going to put some drawers in it.
And I'm also going to do some work on the headliner.
Yeah, so that's going to be exciting. Stay tuned. Having a bit of trouble trying to figure out how our headliner is going to work, what we're going to do to put down here as a cupboard. Because we're having to take a break from all this other plumbing stuff until the shop's open, but the fridge is in and working. So what's the problem, Mike?
I can't picture it because you want something to cover that. Then you're going to have uprights going and you need to cover doors to shut down.
Yeah. A couple of weeks ago, Mike insulated the headliner and put some paneling up. So he started building a frame here. So Mike's just working on the headliner here. So it's going to have a plywood face coming along here and a door that opens up here. And then we're just going to have these 3 boxes in here basically with stuff in. It's for a games box, raincoats and stuff that we might want to get at easily. That's looking good, Mike. Our headliner cabinet finished. Just need to put a face on it now. So got to put a little cupboard door on here to go up like this. So we're getting there slowly. So Mike's just putting together the frame for the door, routing out the inner bits.
Don't deny that I could use some company.
We'll try and make a drawer. Fridge one.
The other fridge.
The other fridge. The freezer drawer.
So Mike's making the drawer, and it's also just going to be a generic drawer in case we don't want to put the fridge in there. We can just use it as a drawer. We might not need 2 fridges, but because we've got 2 fridges, we're going to use them. Mike's making this frame to put the fridge inside, and then he's going to put it on this old. He's reusing that.
I just want your time. I just want your time.
So Mike's just fitting the drawer runners on. Hopefully they work. Cool. They're actually push ones, so you push it to open it. So hopefully, I don't know whether we're going to go around a corner and it comes flying open or not, but we'll find out. We've got this cabinet here, and I'm putting a drawer in here for this fridge. It's going to sit above the heater there.
So it says.
Look at. Ah.
So that bit goes in there like that. That bit goes in there like that. Screws up there. That screws up there.
So there's a nice big fancy drawer Mike's built, and there's the fridge that's going to go in it. It's going to go just in here, and then we're going to build other cupboards around the fridge.
I've got a shelf in. A push shelf.
Ooh.
I push to close, so you push that and it pops out.
Oh, nice.
We can then put that one there.
And the fridge goes in there. Our other fridge. Oh, look
Oh,
at
right,
that.
you do it by the shelf. Bottom.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Woohoo.
Yeah, just.
Very exciting. Oh, that's cute, Mike. Tiny little cupboard. Is that going to fit our utensils in it?
Here's our kitchen cabinet starting to come into shape. We have a drawer for the fridge, which is a push drawer. You push it in and locks. Comes out. There's a fridge. Hey. Push it back in. And it locks in place. And up here, we've got our first drawer. No drawer front, but the drawer goes in, comes out, goes in.
big drawer you've made here, Mike. It's huge. It's a very big drawer, so that's for pots and pans and plates and just stuff. So you just have to put some drawer fronts on them now. Cool. So these ones are push ones. You push them. Yep. And these ones are just normal ones. You're going to put some catches at the back. One more drawer to go in here. And then the bottom, I think it's going to be a cupboard. We don't really know. Making it up as we go along, aren't we? So that's all we got time for this week. Next week, Mike's going to attempt to put some drawer fronts on. So that'll be exciting.
I like the word attempt.
But until then, stay safe
Have fun.
and be happy.